Jungle.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Made Easy Hub, where learning English is simple, practical, and actually enjoyable. I'm your host, Jack.
And I'm your co host, Anna. Hello, everyone. It's so nice to have you here with us today.
Anna, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Jack. I had a peaceful morning and I feel relaxed and ready to learn and teach. What about you?
I'm feeling good too, a little busy, but excited because today's topic is something that every English learner needs in real life.
That's true. Today we are going to talk about how to express opinions in English clearly, confidently, and politely.
This is a very important skill. Without opinions, conversations become very boring.
Exactly. Imagine talking to someone and they just say yes or no all the time.
That would be very boring. No personality, no ideas.
That's why learning how to share your thoughts is so important.
Before we begin, let's ask our listeners for a small favor.
Yes, if you enjoy learning with us, please like this episode and subscribe to English Made Easy Hub.
And don't forget to share it with your friends or family who are learning English.
Thank you so much. Now, let's get started.
Anna, what exactly is an opinion?
That's a great question. An opinion is what you think or feel about something.
So it's not a fact?
Exactly. A fact is something true for everyone, but an opinion is personal.
For example, the sun is hot is a fact.
And I think summer is the best season is an opinion.
That makes sense. Everyone can have a different opinion.
Yes, and that's what makes conversations interesting.
Let's start with the easiest phrase, I think.
This is the most common way to express an opinion.
I think this lesson is very useful.
I think learning English every day is important,
You see, it's simple and clear.
and beginners can use it easily.
And now let's talk about I feel.
This phrase shows emotion and opinion together.
I feel this song is very relaxing.
I feel this place is peaceful.
It sounds a little more personal.
Yes, it connects your feelings with your ideas.
What if we want to sound more professional?
Then we use, in my opinion.
In my opinion, education is very important.
In my opinion, traveling helps you grow as a person.
This is great for formal conversations.
Another simple phrase is for me.
For me, mornings are the best time to study.
For me, reading books is more enjoyable than watching TV.
It shows your personal preference clearly. After giving your opinion, what should we do?
We should ask the other person,
The easiest question is, what do you think?
or do you agree?
Let's practice. I think exercise is important. What do you think?
I agree with you. Exercise keeps us healthy.
How can we agree politely?
You can say, I agree with you,
Or exactly.
or you're right.
These make conversations positive.
Now, the difficult part, disagreeing.
Yes, many learners are afraid of this.
You can say, I don't think so.
Or I disagree.
A softer way is, I'm not sure.
Or maybe, but
This keeps the conversation polite.
it's important to explain your opinion.
Yes, we use because.
I think winter is beautiful because I like cold weather.
I think English is important because it helps communication.
This makes your sentence complete.
Let's practice with food.
I think pizza is the best food because it is delicious. What do you think?
For me, home cooked food is better because it is healthier.
I see your point, but I still love pizza.
That's okay. Different opinions are normal.
Let's try travel.
I think traveling is exciting because you see new places.
I agree, but I think it can be expensive.
That's true, but the experience is worth it.
What about technology?
I think smartphones are useful because they make life easier.
I agree, but sometimes they are distracting.
That's a good point.
What if we don't know?
You can say, I don't know.
Or I don't have a strong opinion.
That is honest and natural.
Anna, any tips for learners?
Yes, start simple. Use I think.
Practice every day
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
and speak slowly and clearly.
Today we learned how to express opinions.
We used, I think, I feel, and in my opinion,
We learned how to agree and disagree.
and how to give reasons using because. Well, Anna, I think we covered a lot today. And honestly, this was a very useful discussion.
Yes, Jack. We talked about many simple and practical ways to express opinions in English.
Let's quickly remind our listeners what we learned today.
Sure, first, we learned easy phrases like I think and I feel.
Then we talked about more formal expressions like, in my opinion,
We also learned how to make our opinions more personal using for me.
and very importantly, we practiced how to ask others for their opinions using questions like, what do you think? And do you agree?
Yes, and we also learned how to agree politely using phrases like I agree with you, exactly, and you're right.
And of course, how to disagree politely without sounding rude.
That's right. Phrases like I don't think so, I'm not sure, and maybe, but can make a big difference.
We also talked about giving reasons using the word because, which makes your sentences more complete and clear.
Exactly. And don't forget, it's okay if you don't have an opinion. You can always say, I don't know, or I don't have a strong opinion.
The most important thing is to practice speaking regularly.
Yes, even simple sentences are powerful if you use them confidently.
And remember, making mistakes is part of learning.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid to speak. Every small step helps you improve.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, we would love to hear your opinion.
In your opinion, what is the best way to learn English and why?
Write your answer in the comments using the phrases you learned today.
We always enjoy reading your thoughts and ideas.
And it's a great way to practice your English.
If you like this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Made Easy Hub.
Your support helps us create more helpful content for you.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
It was a pleasure learning and talking with you.
We hope you feel more confident expressing your opinions in English now.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving.
We'll see you again in the next episode.
Until then, take care and keep speaking English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye.